Hello, my dear viewers. Welcome you all to Scorpio Class Hindi. In today's video, I have brought complete notes of Class 9th chapter Mausi. Explanation of the same I have already uploaded. You can take the link from the description box. Now, let us see the first main. First main is एक वाक्य में उत्तर लिखिए. Answer in one sentences. And first question is माँ के जैसी प्यारी कौन थी? Who was loving like mother? Answer माँ के जैसी प्यारी मौसी थी. Aunt was loving like mother. मौसी means aunt, auntie. Then second question, मौसी सभी को किस समय में साथ देती थी? When did aunt support everyone? Answer, मौसी सभी को सुख दुख के समय साथ देती थी. She used to support everyone at the time of joy and sorrow. Then next question, दोपहर होने पर मौसी कहाँ पहुंच जाती थी? Where did मौसी go in afternoon? Answer, दोपहर होने पर मौसी स्कूल के फाटक पर पहुंच जाती थी. She used to go to the school gate every afternoon. Then मौसी बच्चों को क्या क्या खिलाती थी? What did aunt feed the children? Answer, मौसी बच्चों को चने, टिकिया और मूंगफली खिलाती थी. She used to feed children by giving them peanuts, homemade biscuit and chickpeas. Then next, मौसी के बिना सारा मोहल्ला कैसा लगता था? How did the area looked without मौसी? Answer, मौसी के बिना सारा मोहल्ला सूना सूना लगता था. Without the aunt, the whole area looked lonely. Then लड़के भाग कर क्या उठा ले आए? What did the boys brought? Answer, लड़के भाग कर खाट उठा ले आए. खाट means cot, a type of bed. So the boys brought cot. Then next, बच्चों ने हेडमास्टर से क्या विनती की? What did the children requested headmaster? Answer, बच्चों ने हेडमास्टर से मौसी को स्कूल में काम देने की विनती की. They requested the headmaster to give some work to मौसी in school. Then next question, मौसी के जीवन में कैसे दिन लौट आए? What type of days came back in मौसी's life? Answer, मौसी के जीवन में खुशी के दिन लौट आए. Good days came back in मौसी's life. Then next main is 2-3 वाक्यों में उत्तर लिखिए. Answer in 2 to 3 sentence. First question is मौसी बच्चों को कौन कौन सी कहानियां सुनाती थी? What type of stories did aunt tell to the children? Answer, मौसी बच्चों को तोता तोती की कहानी, काठ के घोड़े की कहानी, विरोचित कहानी आदि सुनाती थी. She used to tell stories of birds, animals and also fairy tales to the children. Then next question, बच्चे मौसी को कहाँ कहाँ ढूंढते हैं? Where did children search मौसी? Answer, जब मौसी स्कूल के बाहर फाटक पर नहीं दिखाई दी और नीम के पेड़ के पास भी नहीं मिली, तब बच्चों ने हर जगह मौसी को खोज करना शुरू किया. See, when children did not see Mausi near the school gate and near the neem tree, then they started searching her everywhere. Then next question, मकान के अंदर से बच्चों को कैसी आवाज सुनाई दी? What did children hear behind the closed doors? Answer, मकान के अंदर से बच्चों को ऊंची ऊंची आवाजें सुनाई दी, जैसे कोई मौसी को चिल्ला रहा हो. हमने ठेका तो नहीं ले रखा है मौसी, 20 दिन से तुम यहाँ हो, अब किसी दूसरे के घर चली जाओ. So what the children heard? They heard loud voice shouting at Mausi that we have not taken the responsibility of you. From past 20 days you are here. Now move to some other place. We have not taken the contract to look after you. Okay, so someone was shouting to Mausi like this. Then next question, बच्चों को क्यों गुस्सा आया? Why did children become angry? Answer, बच्चों ने मौसी को बहुत बुरी हालत में देखा. उनके बाल उलझे और चेहरा सूखा था, जिसके कारण उन्हें गुस्सा आया. So why children become angry at that time? Because when they saw Mausi in a bad condition, they got angry. Her hairs were tangled, face were dried, and she was in very poor condition. So the children, they felt very angry. Then next main is 3-4 वाक्य में उत्तर लिखिए. आंसर इन 3 to 4 sentences. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, मौसी और बच्चों के बीच में क्या बातचीत हुई? What conversation did मौसी and children had? आंसर, बच्चों ने मौसी से पूछा, तू इतने दिन कहाँ थी, यहाँ क्यों बैठी हो? मौसी ने कहा, मैं यहाँ से जा रही हूँ बेटा. बलदेव ने पूछा, तू तो बीमार थी, तबीयत कैसी है? उसने जवाब दिया, बेटा मैं ठीक हो गई हूँ, अपने गांव जा रही हूँ. तब बच्चों ने कहा, हम तुझे कहीं नहीं जाने देंगे. See, so one by one, all the kids, they started putting question to Mausi. One child asked, from so many days, where were you, Mausi? And why are you sitting here? Then Baldev, another child, he asked, you were not well. How is your health now? For that, she replied, I am all fine. Now I am going to my village. Then all the children said in chorus, we will not let you go anywhere. Okay. Then next question. बच्चों ने मिलकर मौसी की सेवा किस प्रकार की? How did children help मौसी? बच्चे भागकर दुकान से एक खाट ले आए और उस पर मौसी को जबरदस्ती बैठा दिया. उस खाट को नीम के पेड़ के नीचे ले आए. कन्हैया भागकर अपने घर से दरी और तकिया ले आया. उषा थाली में 2 रोटियां लाई. योगराज कटोरे में दूध लाया. गोपाल घर से लैंप लाया. बलदेव अपने पिता को बुलाकर ले आया जो डॉक्टर थे. इस प्रकार बच्चों ने मौसी की सेवा की. See, 2 to 3 boys, they ran and brought a cot. Cot means it is similar to bed. It is like a bed. So 2 3 boys, they ran and they brought a cot and made Mausi to sit on it. She was not sitting, but they made her sit on that, and they took her to the neem tree. And then one by one, children, they started bringing things from their house. Like Kanhaiya brought carpet and pillow from his house. Then Usha, she brought 2 chapatis in a plate. And Yograj, he brought milk in a bowl. Gopal brought lamb from his house. And Baldev's father was a doctor. So he called his father from clinic by saying, Mausi is not well, come and see her. So like this way, children tried their best to help Mausi in whatever way they could. Okay, now let's move on to the next question. मौसी के खुशी जीवन का वर्णन कीजिए. Here you have to explain the happy life of Mausi. How was her life? How she spent her life happily? Your answer is, बच्चों ने हेडमास्टर जी से विनती की कि मौसी को स्कूल में काम दिया जाए. हेडमास्टर ने बच्चों की बात मान ली और मौसी को रहने के लिए एक कमरा भी दे दिया. मौसी फिर से स्कूल के आंगन में आने लगी, बच्चों को कहानियां सुनाने लगी और मोहल्ले का चक्कर काटती लोगों के हालचाल पूछती. रात में चैन से अपने कमरे में सांस लेती. इस तरह बच्चों के प्रेम से मौसी के जीवन में खुशी लौट आई. See, so children, what they did, they went to the headmaster and requested him to give some work to Mausi in school. Then the headmaster, he also accepted the request, and he also provided her with a room to stay. So Mausi was again seen in the school campus, telling stories to children and helping people in ways she could. And by night she used to return to her room happily. So this was the happy days of Mausi. Okay, now the next main, रिश्ता जानिए और लिखिए. Here you have to see the relationship and answer. See, in the first pair, पिता के पति. पिता के पति means father's father. What do you call to your father's father? You call dada. Yes, you call dada, paternal grandfather. And your mother's father, माता के पिता, you call nana, maternal grandfather. Then second one, पिता की बहन, your father's sister is your बुआ. Yes, and your mother's sister is मौसी. Then पति या पत्नी के पिता, husband or wife's father is ससुर, is your this father-in-law. Yes, and पति और पत्नी की माता, husband or wife's mother is mother-in-law. Then बेटे की पत्नी, your son's wife is daughter-in-law, is बहू. बेटी का पति, your daughter's husband is दामाद, son-in-law. So like this you have to see the relationship and write. Then next one is नमूने के अनुसार लिखिए. According to the example you have to write. Here example is कहानी, कहानियां. So here या should be added. लड़की, लड़कियां. कोठरी, कोठरियां. पहली, पहलियां. Okay. Then next उदाहरण is माला, माला ए. Here a should be added. माता, माताएं. दिशा, दिशाएं. घटना, घटनाएं. Then next example is बात, बातें. Here te should be added. Okay, like te, a. आंख, आंखें. दरार, दरारें. दुकान, दुकानें. Okay, so according to the example you have to solve. Then next main is विलोम शब्द के जोड़े बनाइए. See, in your textbook few words are given. You have to choose which word is opposite of what word. Okay, question, answer, everything is given there. You have to select the right question and right answer. Let us see. गलत, सही. Wrong, right. Then सुख, दुख. Happy, sad. छोटा, बड़ा. Small, big. खुशी, गम. Pleasure, sorrow. बहुत, कम. More, less. रात, दिन. Night, day. अपना, पराया. नीचे, ऊपर. Okay. Then next one is पर्यायवाची शब्द लिखिए. It means synonym. Synonym. Okay. Same meaning but different words. पेड़. Here पेड़ means tree. So what else you can write for पेड़? वृक्ष, झाड़. Okay, it means same. Meaning will be same but words will be different. Then घोड़ा. घोड़ा means horse. We also call घोड़ा as अश्व, तुरंग. दूध. दूध means milk. पच, शीर. Then पानी. पानी means water. जल, नीर. घर. घर means home. मकान, निवास. औरत. औरत means lady. स्त्री, महिला. Then next main is सार्थक वाक्य बनाइए. Here you have to make meaningful sentences. See, here question is given. सबको जैसे मौसी प्यारी माँ थी के. Did you understand what is written? No, because here words are not properly arranged. So you have to arrange the words properly so that you will get a meaningful sentence. So how it will be? मौसी सबको माँ के जैसे प्यारी थी. Now you understand what it is written. So like this you have to frame the sentence properly. It means मौसी was loving like mother to all. Then next, विरोचित सुनाती मौसी थी कहानियां. We don't understand here. What is the meaning? After arranging, what we get? मौसी विरोचित कहानियां सुनाती थी. मौसी used to tell fairy tale. Then next, दिन दूसरे मैच हॉकी लॉर्ड खेल कर रहे थे. Answer is दूसरे दिन हॉकी मैच खेलकर लौट रहे थे. Next day They were returning after playing hockey match. Then पीने पानी के लिए मुन्नी लाई. Answer, मुन्नी पीने के लिए पानी लाई. मुन्नी brought water to drink. Then next man is कन्नड़ में अनुवाद कीजिए. Here option is not given. See, sometimes either in English or in Kannada you have to translate, but here English option is not given. You have to write only in Kannada. I will dictate, you write it, okay? First one is बच्चे नीम पेड़ के तले खेलते थे. It means ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬೇವಿನ ಮರದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಆಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. I repeat, ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಬೇವಿನ ಮರದ ಕೆಳಗೆ ಆಡುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. Then next is उसे सब मौसी कहकर पुकारते थे. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮೌಸಿ ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. I repeat, ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಮೌಸಿ ಎಂದು ಕರೆಯುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. Next question, बच्चों के लिए तो वह सेवा की मूर्ति थी. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಸೇವೆಯ ಮೂರ್ತಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದರು. I repeat, ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಅವರು ಸೇವೆಯ ಮೂರ್ತಿಯಾಗಿದ್ದರು. ನಾಲ್ಕನೇ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ, सबके घरों में झांक कुशल क्षेम पूछती थी. ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮನೆಯ ಕುಶಲ ಕ್ಷೇಮವನ್ನು ವಿಚಾರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. I repeat, ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮನೆಯ ಕುಶಲ ಕ್ಷೇಮವನ್ನು ವಿಚಾರಿಸುತ್ತಿದ್ದರು. Okay, so you write it. Then next man is नमूने के अनुसार लिखिए. Here also seeing the example you have to write. See, example is दूध. दूध means milk. So what you get from milk? Dahi, malai, mithai, ghee. Okay, from milk you get curd, sweet, butter and ghee. So like this way you have to write. Here first one is paid. Paid means tree. What you get from tree? You get flowers, fruits, leaves, oxygen, rain. Yes, so all those things you have to write. Phool, phal, patte, oxygen, barish. Then next sona. Sona means gold. What you get from gold? Gehne. Gehne means jewelry. Then phool. Phool means flower. From flower what you get? You get fragrance, honey, then atar, khushbu, shahad, itra, ras. Then next is kagaz, means paper. From paper what you get? You get book, thaili, bag. So like that way. Then next main is पाठशाला में और घर में आपको क्या क्या करने के लिए कहा जाता है और क्या नहीं करने के लिए कहा जाता है, तालिका में लिखिए. See, in your school and in your home, what your teachers and parents tell you to do and what they tell not to do, do's and don'ts, that you have to write. So in one box what you have to do and in other box what you should not do. So what you have to do? You have to study. Padhna hai, you have to study. Likhna, you have to write. Sunna, you have to listen. And what you should not do? Alas. Alas means laziness. You should not be lazy. Jhagda means fighting, quarreling. You should not fight with each other. And buri batein. Buri batein means talking bad about others. So these are the bad habits, so you should not do, and good habits you should do. So here I have completed all the mains of this chapter. I hope this video was useful. If you like it and if you want more such videos, then do not forget to hit the like button, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Till then, take care.